Hi, Colin here from King Motors. You've clicked the link to our 2017 Volvo S60 D2 Business Edition diesel. It's a very nice car, as I'm sure you can see. What we're going to do now, I'm going to take you for like a virtual test drive, show you some buttons and functions and features, how the car drives, give you an idea of its road manners generally. But from there, let's go for a quick spin. Here we are driving the S60, a fine car. The first thing I'll talk about is Volvos themselves. They're just a fabulous thing. They're very much on par with any BMW or any Mercedes or any of that kind of stuff, or Audi. That's who they're aiming at, and they're easily as good in my opinion. The quality is exactly the same, the kind of spec you get is the same, the longevity is the same, and they're a little bit more expensive, you know, than your average car, but they kind of do it under the radar. Volvo aren't blingy or that kind of stuff. They kind of keep everything hidden in plain sight, so you get a fine car with a Volvo. Other notable things about Volvos, they've orthopedic seats, so you could drive to the moon in this car and get out with you're quite comfy. And I personally suffer from a bad back from years of stupidity when I was young and playing rugby and all that kind of stuff, so I really do, you know, I appreciate what it can do for us. But the other part of it then is this particular car itself. Volvo service history, one owner from new, so it's exactly as you'd expected. We've got a big sat-nav screen, we've a 6-speed gearbox, we've lovely chrome inlays on the dash and everything, 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. You know, it comes with every piece of spec you would expect from the car. Just a lovely place to be, and once you tie it all in, it's hopefully, like, you can hear from the drive that it's a lovely cocooned place. It's a lovely quiet sort of car to go in, so it's a proper executive class car. Then you go to safety. Volvo are the absolute class leaders when it comes to safety. They were always miles ahead of the game on that front anyway, and this one, again, it's no different. This is a fine car. You've got 2 ISOFIX points in the back, kids will fit. It's just a lovely car. It's a lovely place to be. There's tons of spec, there's tons of everything on it. And then the last pertinent thing to speak about in this period of time, with the distance sales and all that kind of stuff, the first thing I'll set out is our stall. We're an AA approved dealer, we're a SIMI approved dealer. We've got 45 star plus Google reviews. We're really proud of that. We're good, we're a good setup, we're a very professional setup. So you can buy from us with confidence in that period of time. We'll give the car a full service, and our end of the bargain on this car is every single button, function and feature on this car will operate as it should on the day you buy it. That's our end of the thing. There will be no skimping on servicing or any of that kind of stuff. It won't want tyres, it won't want anything. It will get a full service from us. Again, it'll come, actually the last sort of important thing on top of that is it will come with 12 months of AA independent warranty, which will work anywhere in the country. So that should put your mind at ease, really. And the AA warranty is streets ahead of what anyone else can offer in terms of warranty at the minute in this country, and we're very proud that they've gotten into bed with us. But with that in mind, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your time, and hopefully we made your decision to come and see us easier.